Before your next flight, watch this. These air travel secrets will change the way you fly, from avoiding germs to getting better service and even free upgrades. Stay till the end for bonus tips most travelers miss. Like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. This is the travel guide you need in 2025. Let's go. 1. Avoid hot drinks in the air. The water used for hot beverages on airplanes usually comes from onboard tanks that are notoriously difficult to clean. Studies have shown these tanks can contain harmful bacteria like E. coli and Staphylococcus. Tip: avoid tea and coffee while flying. Instead, opt for bottled water, canned beverages, or sealed juices. These options are safer and help avoid any risk of gastrointestinal issues during your trip. 2. Window seats are colder than you think. If you love gazing at the clouds or leaning against the window to sleep, there's something you should know. Window seats are significantly colder than aisle or middle seats. The plane's exterior can reach temperatures as low as -140 degrees Fahrenheit, and although the walls are insulated, that cold seeps through. Tip: always pack a light jacket, hoodie, or scarf, even if you're traveling to a tropical destination. Consider layering up or asking the flight attendant for a blanket if you're on a long flight. 3. Tray tables are germ hotspots. Believe it or not, tray tables are often dirtier than airplane lavatories. They're rarely disinfected between flights, and many passengers use them for everything from eating to diaper changes. Tip: bring a small pack of disinfectant wipes and clean your tray table, armrests, and seatbelt buckle before use. Also, avoid placing food directly on the tray. 4. Avoid wearing shorts on the plane. Plane seats are rarely deep cleaned. Thousands of passengers have sat where you are, and skin contact with seats, especially in shorts, exposes you to bacteria and allergens. Tip: choose long pants, joggers, or leggings for better hygiene and warmth, especially on long-haul flights. 5. Book morning flights whenever possible. Morning flights aren't just less crowded, they're more punctual. Flight delays tend to compound throughout the day due to weather issues, air traffic, and maintenance delays. Tip: if your schedule allows, fly before noon. Not only are morning skies calmer with less turbulence, but you also reduce the chance of a cascading delay affecting your travel. 6. Download the Airlines app. Airline apps are lifesavers. They offer real-time notifications for delays, gate changes, boarding groups, and even baggage claim info. Tip: enable push notifications so you never miss a flight update. Many apps also allow you to rebook flights, choose seats, or order food. 7. Pack a power bank. Airport outlets are often overcrowded, broken, or badly located. If your phone dies, you lose access to boarding passes, ride-share apps, and entertainment. Tip: carry a small charged power bank in your carry-on. Choose one under 100 watt-hours to meet TSA guidelines. 8. Use seat maps like SeatGuru. Not all seats are created equal. Some have limited recline, are near noisy areas, or are right next to the lavatory. Tip: use websites like SeatGuru to compare seat types and find the best option based on aircraft type. 9. Order special meals for better quality. Airline meals get a bad rap, but here's a trick. Special meals such as vegetarian, vegan, kosher, halal, gluten-free, and seafood options are often fresher and served earlier. Tip: you don't need to have dietary restrictions to request a special meal. Choose one during online check-in to get better service and potentially better food. 10. Always carry a pen for international travel. You'll often need to fill out customs forms or immigration declarations before landing in a new country. Flight attendants hand these out mid-flight, but pens are rarely provided. Tip: bring your own pen. It saves time, avoids awkward borrowing situations, and helps you breeze through immigration. 11. Sit near the back for better service. Passengers often think front row seats are the best, but the rear of the plane can come with hidden perks. Flight attendants find it easier to offer extra snacks, drinks, and blankets to passengers in the back, away from the scrutiny of the rest of the cabin. Tip: sacrificing a few extra minutes during deplaning might reward you with a more personalized in-flight experience. Bonus tips for smarter travel. Office building: choose the right airport terminal. Some airports have multiple terminals with vastly different amenities. Research ahead to find the one with better food, lounges, or even sleeping pods. Checkmark enroll in TSA PreCheck or Global Entry. Save time at security and customs. The application process is straightforward and pays for itself in convenience. Hourglass pack a small essentials kit. Include hand sanitizer, lip balm, facial mist, a toothbrush, and extra socks. These small items can make long-haul flights far more bearable. Globe: use a VPN on airport Wi-Fi. Public Wi-Fi is unsecured. Always use a VPN to protect sensitive information when browsing, especially if you're logging into bank accounts or email. Airplane departure: label your luggage clearly. Include a unique tag or ribbon on your bags. Many suitcases look alike, and it's easy for someone to walk off with yours by mistake. Airplane arrival: use compression bags for packing. They save space, help you pack more efficiently, and make organizing your clothes a breeze. Luggage: pack snacks smartly. Not all airlines offer complimentary snacks anymore. Bring protein bars, nuts, or dried fruit in TSA-compliant packaging. Modern air travel doesn't have to be a nightmare. With a little planning and a few insider hacks, you can make your next flight smoother, safer, and even enjoyable. Whether it's something as simple as choosing the right seat or remembering to download the app, these small decisions can greatly impact your overall experience. Fly smart, stay ahead. Please hit the subscribe button for more travel tips and enjoy the journey as much as the destination. Safe travels, Globe Airplane.